Hey foodies, welcome to Foodie Rose. Vamshi is back with another yummy recipe that's virgin mojito. So to make that, I've taken a glass in which I'm going to add half lemon which have been chopped into wedges, and I'm going to add 12 to 15 mint leaves to it. Also, 1 teaspoon of peppermint powder. This peppermint is known as polo which has been powdered, so you can buy from the link given in the description box below, so don't get worried. And I'm going to add 1.5 tablespoons of powdered sugar to it. You need to add only powdered sugar because the crystallized sugar does not melt, like it does not dissolve in the soda. Then I'm going to crush it with the following utensil. You can use the similar utensil like the backside of the whisk or else the backside of the spatula. You need to be gentle here or else the glass may break. And you need to gently crush it so that all the essence and juices come out from the lemon and mint. So next I'm going to add 8 to 10 ice cubes, and then I'm going to pour the soda. Here I've used 2/3 cup of soda. Don't worry guys, if some bubble arise, you can always fix it with one spoon. Like you need to mix the bubbles with the spoon. You need to be gentle here or else the soda may fall out. Then your mojito is ready. You can always garnish it with some fresh lemon and mint and enjoy your virgin mojito. See how refreshing it looks. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel Foodie Rules. Like my video. To check out another snack recipe, click here. Thank you.